How to make your MacBook Air run faster. So if your MacBook is running slowly, it's freezing, or you're having any kind of performance issues, I'm going to show you how to go in speed up your MacBook. Now the first thing you need to do is go and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side of the screen and then just press System Settings. Now from the left hand side, go and click on General and then select Storage. Now the first thing you need to do is ensure that you're not using too much storage space on your Mac. So if you're nearly running out of storage, this will be the reason why your MacBook is running slowly. So you can see down here which places are taking up the most amount of storage space. So for me, most of it's coming from my applications, but we also have some data being used in my documents and also my photos as well. So just go and open up the Finder app in the bottom left hand side of the screen, and then you can click on Applications. Now to go and delete an application from your MacBook, all you need to do is click on the application, and then you can go and drag the application into the recycle bin like this. Now you will need to enter your MacBook password to confirm these changes. You'll then need to open up the recycle bin folder and click on this empty button and go and press empty trash. So just go through your entire list of applications, and if you see anything here that you don't need or don't want on your computer, then go and move it over to the trash and make sure to empty the recycle bin. You also need to do the same for your documents and files on your computer as well. Just make sure to go in, delete and remove anything that you don't need. Now once you've done that, come back over to this Apple logo in the top left hand side and press System Settings. Now click back on General from the left hand side and this time press Software Update. Now it's going to check your computer for any outdated software, and if any updates are found, you'll need to go in, download and install these now. So sometimes new updates can also contain performance fixes as well, so it's really important you keep your Mac fully up to date. You could then click back on General from the left hand side, scroll down the page and click on Login Items and Extensions. Now at the very top you'll see Open at Login, and these are the applications that automatically start when you first turn on your computer. So if you see any applications in this list, then I'd recommend removing them like you see here, and this will speed up your computer when you first turn it on. You can then scroll down to App Background Activity, and these are the applications that are constantly running in the background of your PC. So if there's something here that you don't particularly use that often, then what you can do is go and turn off the permissions for background app activity, and that's another way to speed up your computer. Now once you've done that, click on Accessibility from the left hand side and then click on Motion. Make sure Reduce Motion is turned off and disabled like this, and then go and close out of this window. Now open up Apps at the bottom of the page. You can then search for Disk Utility and open the app. Now click on File and select Run First Aid. You can then press this Run button and go and click on Continue. You'll then need to wait while this performs a full scan on your MacBook, and this can help diagnose and repair any issues with your files. Now once you've followed all of these steps, your MacBook Air should now be running much faster.